Hi there. This video is to show how to check for cloned objects across images. So this is not so much about checking for identical items within the very same image. No, this is about how to check for situations where objects got copied on one image and then pasted onto another one. In order to do so, you have to have InspectJ open, and you have to have InspectJ open. So now I'm going to open two images I would like to analyze. I will just drag and drop them onto InspectJ to open them. So here's my first image. This is a Western blot. Here's my second image, which is another Western blot. This Western blot looks fine, so I would like to see if they contain any identical items. So let's start InspectJ. So what you see here is that an action is required which says please keep only one image open and close the rest, then press OK. So InspectJ works on one image only. But we would like to check these two images. So what we have to do is we just have to combine them to turn these two into one image. And this can be done in InspectJ by going to Image, Stacks, Tools, Combine. And now we just combine these two images, Western blot 1 and Western blot 2. And we combine them here vertically. So I check this box and I click OK. So now I have only one image left with both Western blots, and I can click OK here. The next thing is I have to select the background. Obviously here it's not a dark, it's a bright background, so I check bright here, OK. And you see InspectJ starts working, and it shows the many different display routines for the viewer to inspect the image. You can look already at the image if you see some suspicious areas that look identical. But of course, InspectJ does the clone analysis for you. It finds the regions according to the settings of the software within the image, which are shown here in the results table. And it looks now for identical regions within the image. This is done in the clone analysis. And you see here that indeed InspectJ has found identical items. So let's just now check for them. So I stop the software here now, and we can look at these identical items within the image. To make it a little bit easier, I turn the image back into a grayscale image. Here we see the two original blots again, and I will now look for the identical items found. Okay, I open up this list here. Oops. Okay, so it's number 9 and 28, so let's go to number 9, which is here, and number 28, which is here, and they look very identical, these two. So someone has copied and pasted, most likely, this object here onto this Western blot. So let's outline them. Okay, I just take it to here and here. Then there is number 11 and 30. So let's check for 11, which is this one. And 30, which is this one here. And again they look identical. They are just flipped horizontally with respect to each other. Okay. The next one is 20 and 33, and there's also 20 and 36 and 33 and 36. So there are three identical items here. So let's go to number 20, which is this one. Here, 33, which is this one here, and 36, which is this one here. I hope you can see that they are indeed identical, but again, this one has been kind of further changed. It was flipped vertically. So you see the darker band here down here and the lighter shade up here. And with this one here, it's the identical item, but the darker band is up there and the lighter shade is down here. Yeah, but these three are identical items. So the software has easily found clones between or across images. So most likely this object was copy pasted here. This object was simply copy pasted and flipped horizontally here. And this object was copy and pasted here and copy and pasted and flipped vertically here. Okay, I hope I could convince you how easy it is to identify clones across images with InspectJ. Please check our other videos on InspectJ. Thank you very much for watching, and cheers from the ZmbH imaging facility in Heidelberg.